What do you think, guys? Should I buy this boat? Just needs slight maintenance to it. What do you think? I don't know. I think it's pretty cool looking. Just needs a little bit of maintenance. That's all. And it's good to go. Well, that's not good. I got a fire going on over there on top of this little bamboo house. Wow, it's not good. People are running. People are grabbing buckets of water, trying to get it up on there to get that little fire out. There's a girl right now with a bucket. Not good, guys. Didn't expect this today. They're getting it though, best they can. Now it's just kind of like smoldering. See, I got some guys with some buckets right here right now. More people are coming. Guy's got a hose. Now he's got a hose going up. There's a pole inside there. That's not good. Wow. Now he's got a hose going up there. Didn't come here and expect that, that's for sure. What's up, guys, and welcome to Philly in the Philippines. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for checking out my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. If you're a super subscriber, thank you for coming back and following Philly in the Philippines. That was a little exciting, wasn't it? You know, we just got here. We're in Talipapa, something like that. It's kind of, I would say, maybe 4 or 5 kilometers continuing up the road from White Beach. Very nice. Let me show you here. It's very nice and relaxing back here. Somebody told us, you got to come out here, you got to check this area out. So that's what we're doing today. Came here, checked the area out. We just got here, sat down at this place right here called Luca. They said, check out the Italian restaurant, Luca. We just got here, sat down, and man, that little building just caught fire. Something happened. They were blaming it on the fireworks that were a little bit earlier. Maybe one of the ashes came down and caught that little roof on fire, but it is out. Guys, that's your fire company out here in the Philippines. When you're out in the province, out in the middle of nowhere, the locals are going to jump up. They're going to do what they can to put it out. Thank God it didn't grow and spread and, go on to the rest of these buildings here. And while we were eating, maybe a half hour later, we seen the fire company show up. Somebody was just taking pictures, but man, it is beautiful here. You can come here. There's Luca. You can come here, like 50 pesos to park. Come down here, hang out at this beach, swim, do whatever you want. This boat here brought a bunch of people in. I'd say about a dozen or so. They came in, the boat beached, people came off of it, went up to Luca and ate. But it really is really peaceful out here. So we'll I don't know, we're just gonna kind of stroll around this area and check it out, show you guys. There are little resorts in here I've seen, so let's check this area out. Now this is the second one I've seen here. There's a little pizza oven. Appears to be some type of pizza oven. Little cooking grill right there. Just talked to the gentleman back there, and he said that the cause of that fire, they're almost sure was some of the ashes from the fireworks. Because they said they have all their power turned off in that little building there. Because of the pandemic, they were closed. This is an area here where You know, it's tiny, it's quiet, it's not like a big, huge resort area. So a lot of the little places were closed. But boy, these beautiful flowers. What are they called?
Gumamela, baby.
Gumamela, baby. And she says they're no good because the tree grows like a vine.
Well, it depends where you're going to plant it.
Right.
But if you plant it in the base,
right,
they won't grow too.
Look at that. Those are all Coke bottles.
Yes.
Plastic Coke bottles. They have painted. They got little flowers in there. The tops, they got cut like a little flower. You can kind of see it. Coke.
See that?
Yeah.
That's called ecosystem.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. The whole, all this decoration right here is all like that. That's just neat looking.
And the thing on here is used by electric fan. You see this?
Electric.
The top. This came from electric fan.
Oh yeah, electric fan. See that? They use the
Oh
top
my
of an,
God.
or they use
Very
the electric
creative.
fan and created that. That's really neat.
Very creative.
Very creative. But you can see through here. It is very, very beautiful. Decorated really nice. There's a bunch of four-wheelers back there. Maybe they rented those out at one time.
Adventure.
You know, like a little adventure trip. But let me show you this here. This is the road that comes down in here. You can miss this road. There's like no sign pointing the way down in here. That road there looks like they recently concreted it. Used to probably be just a dirt road coming down in here. But yeah, no sign, no sign. Matter of fact, we had to ask. It says this way to beach.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that way will take you to the beach.
I think this way to the beach.
You think this way?
Yeah.
All right. Only one way to find out. Follow the dirt road.
You can go here because
That
this
there's
is
a
not-
resort right there.
it's fast
Yeah,
one.
that's a
That's a
resort.
resort.
Closed.
Yeah.
Yeah, this path does go back here. Calachuchi. Yeah, there's a path. Just follow the path. It's a shame. You wonder if any of these resorts will bounce back. You know, because it's not a huge touristy area. There's another one over there. You can't really see it. But there's another resort to the right. It's one of these places where an area where you come and just hang out and chill out for like a day or two. Just for peace of mind and relaxation. All right, looks like we're coming out to the ocean. There's a peek at the resort in there, sitting empty. What says Charang? We're here. Charang.
There you go.
There you go. Hello. Yeah, this is a beach resort here. I wonder if they're open. Pools? The pool looks like it's open.
I think this is Infinity.
This is Infinity? Ask him. Infinity?
to kuya, no?
Okay. Infinity Resort. It's open, right? All right. Yeah, looks nice.
And that's on that.
Yeah.
How are you?
They got steps that go down to the beach here, but look at that. That's all destroyed, that building. Huh. Pretty wild. Then you got our beach resort, which is closed. I would imagine. Could be open, but doesn't look like anybody's there. All right, guys, we're on our way back now. But one of the things when you come up here to this area, all the way out, there's just such amazing, beautiful views. The problem is as you're driving down the road, there's no place to pull over and kind of like check out the views. But thank God this road we're on now, let me show you. Looks like it has been done within the past year or two. It's hard to say, but the concrete looks fresh. There's nobody kind of out this way. But the views, wow. Amazing. And like I said, coming all the way from Puerto Galera, when you get up these hills here, look out. Beautiful, beautiful views. Check out this view. There's another view on the way back through. That down there is White Beach. Doesn't appear that there are people down there right now. Then again, it's not the weekend. It seems like on the weekend, a lot more people show up coming from the city, maybe different areas, to go down and hang out at the White Beach. You can see all the little dragon boats, little boats that they pull behind the jet skis and everything. But what another amazing view, right? Like I said, this whole entire road, even all the way up to Calapan City, it's just so many just beautiful spots but you can't stop. You can't stop. That's the problem. All you can do is kind of observe, look. We did find a little pull off here. I got my 4-ways on and figured I'd show you just the amazing view. All right, guys, we found another place to explore on our way back. I seen this coming up and I just said, you know what? I will find a place to park, and I'm going to park and check this out. Roosters welcome you. Oh, there's a little fella. Boy. Aw. Maybe that car came up, because that's a fresh one. Poor little guy. Poor little ducky back there. Somebody smacked a little ducky back there. It's laying on the road. Hello. I don't know if this, what is this, like a fishing village? This is neat. Neat.
Snorkeling here if you want.
Minolok.
Minolo.
Sitio Minolok. Very nice. A lot of fishermen.
Yes.
A lot of fishermen and snorkeling and
Snorkeling
yeah.
and hopping.
Okay, island hopping and everything. It's pretty neat. All right, good to know. This is just neat. I love this. All these little boats here. Yeah, I just found a place to park. I don't think that boat's going out anytime soon. I just parked alongside the road. It was like a little pull off. Of course, they're gonna try to get you to snorkel or island hopping, and you know, they need the business here. Unlimited dives. Looks like they do boat repair here, boat building here. That's pretty neat. Let me show you this one down here. Hello.
Hello.
Boat build or boat repair?
Yes.
Repair. All right. Boat repair. They do it all here. Look at this boat right here. Look at that thing. Like the SS Minnow. Looks like somebody's even living on that thing. Huh. I got boat parts hanging from trees. Hello. Of course, you got a basketball hoop.
Oh, I told you, Pao.
Oh.
No matter where you go, it's always a basketball court.
Yeah, they just said that earlier. No matter where you go, there's always a basketball hoop. It's a boatyard graveyard.
Wow.
But it's never a graveyard until
That's a lot of gold.
it's never a graveyard until it's completely taken apart and burnt, right?
Yeah.
Recycle everything.
You can fix that one, though.
There's a Kyle and Cahuin. Little store right there. Hello.
Oh, that's the first time I see a lot of.
Yeah. So they said those are passenger boats out there. Golden Raptor. But they're not running. They're not running due to the pandemic. Who knows? Look at them little kids out there on that. They're like hanging out on the back of the yacht. The yachty.
Yate.
Yeah.
Small yate.
Looks like they got jet ski rentals here. Sailboat out there. These are little fishing boats. I'm gonna watch here. It's a line. Step over. Yep. 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 There. Push it down. This may not interest some people, but to me, I think it's just neat seeing all this here. See, there's power sailing boats right there. Power sailing. Step over the rope. All right, walk up this way. Looks like a house back in there. Don't know if I'd want to live there. It's very close to the water, and never know about flooding, right? Guarantee you this place floods out in a bad storm because it sits down in. See how that boat. That one right there. Looks like an old passenger boat, right? Pretty neat. Pretty neat. That boat there looks like it's falling apart or being built. Well, that's about the end of our little stroll up through here. Look at the mountains back there. That's just beautiful. All right, guys, I'm just going to wrap this one up. Another adventurous day. The first place we were at, very surprised, got there, seen that fire right off the bat. What are my thoughts on that area? It's nice. Would I live there? No. Would I stay there? No.
It's good to stay there for
Like Lit said, it'd be good to stay there for like a day or two just to come down, relax, hang out. You got that little private beach and everything. There is a beautiful resort in here called Infinity. But we didn't. I asked the guy if we could come in and look around. He said, no, you can't come in unless you're staying here. So I was like, all right, whatever. But there is a very beautiful resort there. So anyways, guys, that's really about it. I'm going to wrap this one up. Tomorrow is Thursday. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We'll figure something out. So once again, guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for all those that subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate all my subscribers, even the casual subscriber or the casual viewer that only watches me for one thing and one thing only, and I won't say what it is. But anyways, guys, once again, thank you, and we'll talk to you later.